Before you can use the app on your storefront, you'll need to embed it into your theme. From the app dashboard, you'll see a message at the top that says, "App is not set up on your store." Click on that, then click the Embed App button. This will open your Shopify theme settings. On the left sidebar, you'll see the toggle switch for the app is turned on. Just click Save in the top right corner. Once you've done that, head back to the dashboard. You'll see a confirmation message that the app has been embedded successfully and you're ready to move on. Now let's walk through how to set up the Quick Order feature in your store. Once embedded, go to the app and click Quick Order in the left menu. Under the Create and Edit Quick Order Pages section, click Configure, then Create New Page. Similar to the Request for Quote, Shopify Plus users will be asked to choose between default store and B2B store setup. Non-Plus users can only access the default store setup. Click Next to continue. Next, you'll enter the page configuration modal with two tabs. The first tab is Set up Quick Order Visibility. Here, you must enter a name for your page. This is just for internal use and won't be visible to customers. Choose which customers can access your page, then select which products or collections will appear on it. For this demo, I'll go with all customers and all products to keep things simple. The second tab is Customize Quick Order Page. This is where you can tailor the look and feel of your page. You can update the title, subtitle, background color, or even add a background image using a direct link. I'll leave it on the default for now. It already looks clean. Below that, choose which filters to include. You can enable filters like availability, collection, vendor, product type, and tags. I'll display all of these on my page. You can also choose whether to include the bulk import button or the sort field. Next, select which product details to show, SKU, vendor, and type. I'll go ahead and tick all of them. Finally, you can also adjust the page layout and style, change border radius, line thickness, and change the color scheme to match your store's branding better. Once you're happy with the setup, click Save, then close the modal. You'll now see your new page listed back in the dashboard. To make it live, click Publish, then enter the page title your customers will see and the URL handle. For example, I'll call mine Test Page and use Quick Order Test as the URL. Hit Publish again to confirm. Finally, click View to preview the page on your storefront. Just make sure you're logged in as a customer who matches the rules you set earlier. And that's it. Your Quick Order page is live and ready to go.